the Virgin Islands. Where pristine beaches meet the clear blue waters of the Caribbean. These timeless landscapes hide a vast ecosystem beneath the waves. An ecosystem that is teeming with life. Join us on a journey beneath the waves as we explore these hidden meadows and a few of the creatures that live here, both familiar and strange. In the Virgin Islands, grasslands are not exclusively terrestrial habitats. In fact, vast meadows also exist beneath the ocean surface that provide similar and extremely important ecosystem services. Here, we introduce the 3 species of seagrass that, historically, have made up the majority of these marine meadows. Shoalgrass, which grows sparsely and is known for its thin, hair-like strands. Manatee grass, whose long, cylindrical shoots can grow up to half a meter long. Turtle grass, the most common seagrass species in the Caribbean, provides a dense source of nutrients for turtles and other marine herbivores. These 3 species commonly grow amongst one another, forming vast and intricate landscapes that fulfill a variety of important functions in the marine environment. The dense mats are effective at capturing loose sediments, reducing ocean turbidity and slowing coastal erosion. Through the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is released, purifying the water and making it an ideal nursery habitat for a wide array of fish species. Seagrass habitat also support a variety of unique invertebrates as well. Like the red-cushioned sea star, Despite its unassuming appearance, it is the largest and most abundant sea star found in the Caribbean. They have uncanny regenerative abilities, capable of regrowing lost limbs. Like most echinoderms, they have hundreds of tube feet that allow them to navigate their surroundings with ease. The seagrass beds are also home to a variety of iconic species as well. These meadows are some of the most dynamic and fast-changing ecosystems in our waters. As a result, they are not without threat. Brewers Bay. Each year, thousands of locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the natural beauty of these shallow waters. Most are unaware of the changes occurring just beneath the surface. Halaa. Native to the Indian Ocean, this seagrass made its way to the Caribbean via the Mediterranean Sea in 2002. Since its introduction, it has dramatically changed the composition of nearly all seagrass beds across the Virgin Islands. An ideal colonizer species, it grows rapidly and reproduces through fragmentation. This allows it to take advantage of bottom disturbances caused by anchoring and storm surge. It has rapidly encroached on traditionally native seagrass habitats, dramatically altering these communities. Despite changing the appearance of these ecosystems, many core functions fulfilled by native seagrasses still remain. And these non-native beds still sustain an abundance of life. The rosy razorback. Due to its unique behavior, it still thrives in these altered landscapes. Typically found as either individuals or loose schools, these wrasses spend their days hovering just above sandy patches and seagrass beds, where they feed on small invertebrates. When disturbed, they exhibit a truly unique behavior. They dive into the sand, and when the coast is clear. They emerge. This is possible due to their flat, slender bodies, which make it easier for them to penetrate the substrate. However, the most abundant community now found in these Halaa beds is, by far, the invertebrates. Ranging from the intertidal zone to the deep reef, urchins are key factors in the healthy function of a seagrass community. Like their distant relatives, the sea stars, they also possess hundreds of tiny tube feet, which help them navigate even the most dense seagrass terrains. These prolific herbivores are responsible for a large majority of seagrass consumption and help maintain the delicate balance of these ecosystems by promoting new growth. One of the most striking inhabitants of the Halaa beds, the swallow-tailed head-shield slug. They average just a few centimeters in length and display vibrant colors, a visual deterrent to would-be predators. Their heads are lined with specialized structures called cilia that help them locate small marine invertebrates amongst the seagrass. Typically found in large groups, the Halaa fronds provide ample spaces for them to hide. Another distinct marine animal commonly found in groups, the Cassiopeia. Unlike others of their kind, these jellyfish predominantly live upside down on the ocean floor. Doing so exposes photosynthetic plankton that reside within their tissues to the sun. This symbiotic relationship provides energy to the jellyfish while offering a shelter to the plankton. It is the differing concentrations of these plankton that give the Cassiopeia its distinct range of green and blue colors. These are just a few of the species that call the seagrass home. However, implications surrounding the introduction of Halaa to the Virgin Islands are still widely unknown. Ongoing research into the changing dynamics of seagrass ecosystems offers a promising outlook toward the longevity of these hidden meadows.